Hello everyone and welcome to this little video. Today we will discuss the question, is uploading an NFT expensive? And the short answer to this is definitely yes, it is really expensive. If you are known to selling on eBay, for example, or even on Amazon, maybe you're an FBA seller, you have some fees depending on the marketplace, but you never have to pay as much as you do when you, for example, want to mint an NFT. Just for reference, I created a little earth in my tutorial series on how to upload an NFT. Here we created this earth that I now just put on sale for 10 Ethereum, and I said if anyone buys it, I will support the circus project that I have in Kabul, Afghanistan. So if anyone out there buys this earth for 10 Ethereum, I will use this money towards the circus project that I have in Kabul, Afghanistan. Trust me, you will make so many children happy. I've obviously been to Kabul already, but I will go again in some months, and it would be amazing if we could make some change happen there in Afghanistan and give these children a better future. So this is my promise to you. If you do buy any of my NFTs, I'll put the link into the description, then I will use this money for a good cause. Anyway, how much did it cost me to mint this NFT, meaning to put this NFT for sale? Well, it cost me $44 if you watched throughout the video. Sometimes it can be cheaper, sometimes it can be $30 or $50. In the video that I showed you, it cost me $44 to put this NFT for sale, which is obviously a lot of money. $44. Now there's something on the blockchain and in cryptocurrencies that is called like the transaction fee, and you can actually change this transaction fee. You can in fact decide how much money you want to spend on the transaction fee. Now there are two downsides to this. First of all is the less you spend, the slower it gets. And the second downside, and the real downside to this, is that if it is too low, the transaction fee that you put in, like for example, if it suggests $44 for minting this NFT, but I put in $1, then this is never gonna go through, yeah? Unless I'm really lucky, but it's not gonna happen. It's almost like playing the lottery. If I just put in $1, it's not gonna go through, the transaction will get stuck, and in the worst case, I will just lose the dollar that I put in. But this also applies to $20, $25. If it's too low, the transaction fee that you put in compared to what it suggests, then well, in the worst case, you will lose your money and nothing happens. This is because then the transaction will get stuck. In the worst case, it will still take your money though, and then you end up having nothing done. So always make sure that you do stay around the suggested price, because you don't want to lose your money. So $44 for uploading a single NFT is obviously really expensive, and this would answer the question, yes, it's really expensive. But there is another way to upload NFTs, not on Rarible though, but this alternative is called OpenSea.io. And the amazing thing about OpenSea.io is that you don't have to pay this expensive gas fee all the time whenever you upload an NFT like on Rarible, but on OpenSea you actually have to pay a one-time account initialization fee, which basically then enables you to upload as many NFTs as you like. The cool thing about this is obviously that then you have unlimited possibilities. I always talk about digital real estate on my videos, which basically means occupying as much of a marketplace as possible. You can imagine if you have 1,000 NFTs for sale, your chances of making a sale will increase compared to just having one for sale, yeah? So OpenSea is great for scaling, because you just have this one-time fee, which you can imagine is higher than the $40 that you pay on Rarible per item. So your initialization fee here is going to be like $200. For me, it was like $190 and something when I made it. In the future, it will vary depending on also the Ethereum course, what Ethereum trades for at the moment. So keep this in mind. It might vary. Maybe this video, once you watch it, is a bit outdated. So just make sure that you are aware of the current fee for OpenSea. Overall though, I think the sooner you get started the better, because it's still such a young thing to upload NFTs. And again, if you once pay the $200 or whatever it may be, maybe it's $300 in the future, but then you can upload as many NFTs as you want. And this is the amazing thing about OpenSea. So if you do have like, I don't know, 100, maybe you are a digital artist already, if you have like 100 pieces of art ready to be uploaded, maybe you're a video creator. Guys, this is the crazy thing. You can put up anything for sale on NFT marketplaces. Yeah, you can post videos. For example, I'm a circus artist in the end, and I'm selling my Guinness World Records as NFTs. And then with this, I tell people I will send them, an original Guinness World Records certificate in the post as well. So you actually get more than just the video of the world record, but also an original Guinness World Records certificate. I'll put the links for this, of course, into the description, and then there you can check out my juggling world records. This is no joke, guys. You can actually then get a real Guinness World Records certificate if you buy the NFTs. And on top of this, I will obviously support good causes with this, like in Afghanistan, the Kabul Circus School. But yeah, this is it basically for today's video. Is uploading an NFT expensive? Well, yes it is, but also if you use OpenSea, for example, and you pay this one-time fee, then you can upload as many as you like. So if you do want to go the cheaper route, definitely go with OpenSea.io. It obviously comes with the downside that it's less popular compared to Rarible. So if you want to go for maximum exposure, you obviously want to create your digital art on Rarible. For this, you can just go to rarible.com and create an account. And then you need to connect your wallet and upload your NFTs. Lucky for you, I have made videos on how to upload NFTs that you will also find in the description. I hope this answers your question. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you learned something today. If you did, smash the like button and leave a subscription. I post daily videos, mainly about crypto and traveling, and here and there some other projects of mine that I have. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.